Well, we did get a little bit of rain this morning early. I'm not sure what time. I woke up in the middle of the night to make sure the dryer was running. I heard the rain on the roof. Everything was running good, so I went back to bed. So it was only about a tenth, not that much rain, so we are going to get started here this morning. I'm just running out to one of the trucks, get it fired up, and we'll head back over to my uncle's there where we were working yesterday. We got 20 or 30 acres left. At least get that field done today. It's starting to dry off a bit here now. A bit gloomy today, but still should be a good day picking. So we will jump in the truck and head over and start our day officially. Got Big Zach out today, showing him how to run grain cart. We're kind of short-handed today, so I asked him if he wanted to come out and learn, and he said sure. So that's pretty cool. He's a family friend of ours. All the kids are natural. Look at them go. First load of the day. Kind of chilly today. Nice to see the sun. Well, so far, I'd say Zach is doing a pretty good job. First time ever running grain cart. Little corn on the ground there, but hey, he's learning, he's doing a good job, so cannot complain. Good help is hard to get these days, and he's doing just fine. And I bet he won't do that again. He probably feels bad already, but don't worry about it, Zach, it's no big deal. So yeah, this is truck 3 for the day. Let's get her out of here. Guys are working over there. Yeah, it turned out to be a nice day so far. You're getting unloaded and starting spinning again a bit. I don't know if you can see in the sky back there. We might get rained out. We're lucky to get this much done today. Get this 30, 40 acres we're doing done. That's good because we thought we'd be rained out today. We were supposed to get more rain. Some places got 2 inches. We only got a tenth last night. So we're just happy to be combining today. Kind of a bonus day, I would say. So whatever we get done, we get done. And that's less we have to do later. Awesome. So, like I said earlier, third truck of the day. What I do, if you haven't noticed, take one truck, set it over there. It gets loaded while I take the next one, dump it, bring it back. Just keep jumping these 2 trucks all day. I can pretty much keep up with the combine from all of our fields. And that's pretty good. The combine's motoring along, yielding well as well. The odd time I get stuck here at the dryer playing with stuff, they might have to wait or fill a set of wagons, but that's why we have them. Hopefully, we'll get a third trailer and get that other project truck running one of these days, and we'll just have 3 trucks to jump feet around. So it's been a few days. Since that last clip. That was the Saturday we were harvesting. Got, I don't know, 33 or so acres done. The next day, Sunday, rain was gonna come just after lunch, so we got 10 or 12 acres off that day. That was a good day. Haven't ran the dryer since Saturday night. It ran out or Sunday morning, I guess, 2 in the morning. So now it's the following week. It is Thursday. We're gonna get going again. We got 2 inches of rain that Sunday night into Monday. It kind of rained for 2 days straight. So we're going to go play on the sand today. We got some fields where we can load the trucks on the road. We don't really like doing that, but it's one of those years we can't get the trucks in the field. So it's a quiet gravel road. We'll get the trucks set up on the road after lunch, and we'll get that, I don't know, 30 or 40 acres off today. Maybe we do some more if everything goes well. But now that you're up to date, I'm just running to the neighbors to drop something off, and then I'm gonna head home. I got the trucks in the shed. I was cleaning them out on the inside. They were filthy. So I'll get those hooked on the trailers, and we'll get ready to harvest today. Good morning, ladies. So yeah, like I said, we'll get these trucks hooked on the trailers. Just cleaning them up while it was raining, so they are looking snazzy again. This one was really bad. Got her all looking nice and clean. And I got the second seat for this truck, so hopefully you'll see a video one of these days installing these two seats, two like this, properly. It'll be the same setup that's in the project truck. If you haven't seen those videos, go back, check out my playlist. There's a whole playlist, 12, 15 videos so far of the rebuild of that 97 Peterbilt. So check those out. This trailer. Straighten her out. Yahtzee. Put the air back. Air to the bags. Landing gear is up. Pins are locked. I don't know if you can see in there. This truck needs a frame paint this winter. Pins are locked. Airlines. Do a quick inspection of both. So pins locked. Airlines are up, or landing gear's up, air to the trailer. Yeah, so we'll do our pre-trips and get one of these trailers in place over there. Well, like I said, we got some rain, but the fans are on today, so that's good. They're blowing the ground off and, you know, drying things up around here, so should be in good shape today. Okay, here we, oh, look, what is that? We got a wild bride in his natural habitat coming out of the woods. The corn. These bloke really like the corn. Oh! Don't get too close. Have any words of wisdom?
It's good and firm on the hill. Let's get her going.
Good and firm, let's get her going. So we noticed last time we used this thing that we had a hydraulic leak off of this hose here, and it goes and actually runs that spout that was all bent up you saw in the last video. So we went down to the local farm supply place, grabbed the new hydraulic line, got her all mounted on there, ran back through the frame, and then kind of tidied this up a bit. There used to be a big loop here, and anyways, should work good. We'll get a good test on her today. First things first though, I don't know about you guys, but I cannot stand a dirty cab. So we'll sleep some of this out. No sense in being lazy now. Poor girl, she's dirty. Anyways, we'll get this swept out and we'll head over to the field. There, that's much better. Perfect. Augers out, best get the cart under the spout. So we've been harvesting for a bit, got a couple loads in. Have a little issue at the dryer. Like I said, it rained. We left the corn in here, I thought it'd be good. All the columns, this would be a column, are flowing. They need to be flowing in order for this dryer to work properly. If they're not all flowing, it could cause a fire, things like that. This column right here on the end was not flowing. I had a wheelbarrow under here and I was opening and closing the door and kind of cleaning off the screens and couldn't get it to flow. So my plan was to shut the dryer down, empty it out, refill it, and start over, clean this out and start over. And while I was thinking up that plan, for some reason the blower plugged. I was standing right here, heard it plug, and I couldn't get it shut down. Get the unload here shut off fast enough so I could blow it through. That's never really happened yet on this dryer, and it didn't happen much on the other one. So I think the corn's getting a bit drier. It's flowing into the unload faster, and this is a drag system. Before we had metering rolls, so you could never really, like, what if it said 80%, it's flowing 80%. This one, if it says 40%, it might be flowing 60%. So I might have to slow my unload, max unload speed down to 35 or whatever, because I'm actually, you know, 1/3 faster, or who knows. So not a big deal. A little bit of a mess to clean up, but not bad. So here's what I got. This pipe was full, so I unhooked everything, got it drained out. This is concrete pads. We'll just shovel that up into the wheelbarrow once we get that empty. So this is ready. I'm gonna start unloading this, and then we got to open up all these little slides and make sure everything's clean in there. But for the most part, I think it's fine. It's just that one column on the other side. So let's get to work. This cleaned out. It wasn't that bad. We started unloading the dryer and then just put a wheelbarrow under there and just emptied this one column all the way down. The rest were mostly 3/4 full, so didn't have to empty the whole dryer. Clean the crud out. It's mostly just in this bottom, I don't know, 10-inch high by the width of it, square or rectangle. So got that cleaned up. Unloading the next truck, and we're gonna start. We're just doing a timed preheat, getting the corn heated back up. We'll start blowing her in the bin again. All in a day's work, stuff happens. I was a little frustrated earlier, I didn't film a lot of it. My dad and Todd came back to help me. There was a bunch of cleanup we had to do and unplug some pipes, and then Reed showed up, so he's been a great help. Cheers to you guys, really appreciate the help. and we'll get running again. Dad and Todd went back to the field to keep filling trucks, and it's just the name of the game. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. We're just kind of breaking even right now. We're not winning or losing, so we'll keep working and see where the night takes us. Another field bites the dust. Off to the next one. Kind of cool. Oh, it's just about dark. Probably time I should eat my lunch. Cheers. Reed, look how dirty your windows are, bud.
Black truck full?
No, this is no window.
Yeah, we're just getting a 1,500 bushel there now.
So this combine has scales on it, and in the grain tank, and it is very, very accurate. So normally what he says for bushels and or weight is pretty dang close, wouldn't you say, Reed?
I would agree.
So a little wetter in this field, but still decent condition. We're not making too big of a mess here, which is good.
Did you get your light working?
It was flickering. It's alright if I leave the high beams on though.
Yeah, we got a light on the end of the grain cart, on the end of the auger that's being a little flaky. I don't know if it just got a bad connection or not. It just kind of flickers on and off when it wants to, but something else to fix. Probably still aftermath of the accident it took the other day. So. Well, it's about 11 o'clock at night. We just got done for the day. Ended up doing a bit more than I thought we would. We ended up switching to that next field. It was about 35 acres, so total of 70 acres for the day. That's a pretty good day. And it's the first day that we caught up to our wet tank. So the wet tank's right full. I got most of a truckload there. We'll probably come back out in an hour, put that in, and then I'll be all done. If it rains tomorrow, I won't have a load on the truck that I gotta get everything out again in the rain. So that being said, you know the drill. Thank you very much. Thanks for commenting, liking, subscribing. If you're not subscribed, hit the button. Do it for me. It's free. $3.99. My favorite price. Hit the bell. Thanks for watching. Leave me a comment. Catch you on the next one. Bye.